Hey there, in this video, we are going to learn about the PM strategy to supersize your business. What the heck is the PM strategy? Who are you, strange looking person in a turban? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, but you can call me Pajama Grandma. It's one of my favorite pair of fuzzy, cozy pajamas because it's starting to get cold here. Cold in the Northland. As it does this time of year every year, so I'm not even going to complain about it. I actually kind of like it. I just get to break out the fuzzy pajamas and the blankets and the long underwear, so it's nothing but fun. Today is day 22 of our Supersize Business Challenge. And as part of that, we are looking at the successful strategies that 30 award-winning, very successful business owners would use if they had lost everything and had to start over again. What would they do for the first 30 days to get back on their feet? Day 1 through day 30, their plan. If you want to read this plan and any of the other plans that we're discussing, there's 30 of them. You can do that for free, of course, at the Facebook group page, facebook.com/groups, of course, 30-day Supersize Challenge. I'll put the link somewhere below so that you can find it, or you can just search it because we're all adults and we can search and find things. We are self-starting problem solvers. But let's talk about Rob's strategy, the PM strategy. You're probably thinking, what the heck is PM strategy? Am I going to supersize my business while I sleep? Wouldn't that be awesome? And in some instances, you can do that. You can put things on autopilot and be growing and building and supersizing your business while you sleep. But that's not what this one's about. This one is about publishing and media. Let me sneak a drink, so I have energy to talk, and grab my handy dandy magnifying glass so I can read my teeny tiny notes about Rob's strategy. Again, detailed strategy on the group page. Go there, get it, read them all, because Rob, like many of them, puts a daily goal, a daily step-by-step. These are the actions you need to take today to make this particular strategy work for you so that you can supersize and grow your business easier and faster than you actually ever dreamt possible. So Rob is an author. He's actually written over 500 books. So he knows his way around the publishing and media background. So he calls his program my top secret, embarrassingly simple strategy that enables me to land $25,000 sales day after day from a webinar. And I got a cool action item for you today too, but that comes at the end. So Rob, let's talk about the highlights of his strategy. He says day 1, he would reflect and be grateful for what he still has, not be commiserating and feeling negative about what he lost. Because he knows if he heads into these 30 days with the wrong mindset, he's not going to get the traction and make the progress that he needs. So he's going to remember and be grateful that, hey, I still have all my skills. I still have all my knowledge. I still know everything that I knew before. And I have all the experiences that I've had in the past. The good, the bad, the ugly. They all come together to form me and what I am capable of doing. So then he reminds himself he's got those skills and abilities, experiences, and perseverance. He knows that he can do it. He's 100% confident that he can rebuild this business. So he goes to work right away and does it. He's going to create and have a strong morning routine every single day. And he's going to then root out all of the emotional things and get rid of those and work out those so that they don't affect him for the next 30 days and going forward, of course. He's going to remind himself and write down his why daily. Why is he doing this? Why is he building this business? Why does he want to rebuild his life? And that will give him the motivation and the energy to overcome any obstacles or challenges that might come his way. Because sometimes when we're building our businesses, we have obstacles and challenges. Imagine that. Then he is going to ask himself, what am I great at? What do I love to do? What do I enjoy doing? And what does a market need that I can solve for them? He's going to pick his target audience. He's going to decide his offer, his platform, and his process. He's going to use LinkedIn and Facebook to promote and interact with people that would be interested in what he has to offer. And what he's going to offer, well, he's going to create a lead magnet to attract those people on those different platforms, and as he is communicating with people to share. But he is going to, of course, pick publishing as his platform because that's his area of expertise. So he is going to help other people in a particular niche write books that will help them to become an authority in their field. He's going to start a video a day on Facebook and do a video every single day on Facebook with a call to action leading everyone to his lead magnet. He wants to lead everybody to his lead magnet so he can capture their email so that he can begin communicating with them and build a relationship with them so that he can easily sell them on the idea of why they want to have their own book, why they want to have a book to be the authority in their field. And then he's going to do daily lives, daily reach outs on LinkedIn and on Facebook groups. He is going to share daily, step by step, what he's doing to build his business up. And he's going to have 3 goals for he's going to write down his goals every day. And he is going to have a goal of 3 sales calls every day. He wants to have 3 sales conversations with prospects every single day because he figures he can land at least one of those 3 every day. Then once a week, he is going to take a day off and spend a day with his family, build relationships with those he loves and cares about, and nurture those relationships, and to recharge his batteries. And what I love about what he does with his family is he's going to summarize and share with his family the lessons that he's learned and the trials and tribulations so that he brings them into the experience with him. He's going to have a lot of personal contact with the people this first month that he is interacting with and follow up with everybody. Anybody that gets a lead magnet, he's going to have a personal touch with. On day 22, he is going to begin delivering his services to people. He's selling, he's writing books for people. So he's selling them on the process of how he takes them through that and does that with and for them. Because let's be honest, we need somebody to write a book for you, but you still have to give input to it, right? Just like most things, hint, hint. And then he's going to ask for referrals. The first couple of people he gets success stories for and helps them become an authority in the field, he's going to get testimonials because testimonials are key. And he's going to set up a new client onboarding process and add some form of continuity program so that he's got that moving forward. He's going to ask himself, what can I offer people next? And he says, skills plus work equals success. So don't delude yourself into thinking that there's a get-rich-quick answer out there. Your success is always going to involve you where the rubber meets the road is work and effort and taking the actions and the steps that need to happen to make yourself and your business grow. Our action item today is to ask yourself, what book could you write that would promote your business or service? Or could you have written for you? That's it. Tomorrow we are going to hear from Natalie Hodson. She is one of my favorite stories, and she has got the authentic influencer strategy. So stay tuned and find out what that's all about and how you can apply one thing, at least one thing from her amazing strategy to your business to help you supersize your business today. That's it. See you tomorrow. Have an awesome day. Go out, supersize your business. You got this.